Are you an aspiring YouTuber or already one trying to figure out what niche actually works and brings in views? In this video, I'll show you how to use Tubelab, a powerful tool that helps you discover rising channels, track what's trending, and find new opportunities to grow faster. I'll also walk you through how it works and its amazing features. Go to their website, and once you've completed the sign-in process, proceed to the Tubelab dashboard. Here is the dashboard, where you'll find all the tools. Let us start with the niche finder. When you click on it, you'll see if channels are monetized, their revenue, RPMs, and other useful data that help you decide whether a niche is a hit or a miss. If you want to speed things up, you can use the filters at the top, like finding high quality or faceless channels. Now, let's click Breakout Channels and apply some additional filters. For example, we'll look for channels that are monetized and earning at least $1,000 in revenue and are under 6 months old. You can adjust the filters however you like. And once you're done, click Set Filters and it will show all the channels that match your criteria. And of course, don't forget about the Search tab where you can type in a niche or content topic and it will show you all the related channels. You will also see categories in gray that automatically sort channels for you, like true crime, ASMR, and many more. Using this, you will get a clear idea of what channels are performing right now and the formats they use, so you can model or improve on them. You can also bookmark channels to save them for later. Just click Bookmark, then Add to Collection. Create a new collection name, and you're done. You can even find similar channels to the ones you've bookmarked. Next, we have the outliers. This shows the most viewed uploads across different channels, giving you ideas on what's already working. Go to Discover, where you can find uploads similar to those, check their thumbnails, and study their styles. One cool thing about Tubelab is that everything is connected, making it easy to navigate between tools. You'll also have filters here to refine your search even more. Then we have the title section. We all know how important a clickable title is to get viewers to actually watch. Click Trending, Popular, or Real Time. Each tool comes with built-in filters to ensure the videos and channels you see match what you're looking for. Let's try Trending. You'll find YouTube titles you can use in your niche, along with channels that have successfully used those formats. Perfect for studying what works. Now we have the bookmark section, where you can see all the channels or videos you've saved. They are sorted into different categories for easier access. That's not all. Tubelab also offers other tools. The rank checker lets you enter a video and keyword to instantly see where it ranks in YouTube search results, while the rank tracker helps you monitor rankings over time with charts and data. Tubelab continues to develop even more features to help creators grow faster and make smarter content decisions. So, if you're serious about understanding what works on YouTube, this is a tool worth checking out. Go to tubelab.net, click Sign In. Let's try accessing Pro subscription. In the Add Promotional Code field, enter Niche20. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.